Hello everyone, welcome here. Yes, here you will be known how to get legal documents with the help of ChatGPT. Is it possible? Really, legal documents also can be possibly we can get using ChatGPT. Let's see. Just I'm trying to asking my ChatGPT to prepare a legal document of sale deed format. So write a sale deed for my plot sale. So let's see, just I am trying to requesting ChatGPT, is it prepared for the legal document? Yes, sale deed. The sale deed made date and month, year, what the year we require to add, we need to replace with this text, and seller's name and son of daughter of father's name, residing at the format, and one part, and the buyer's part. See, whereas like the sale deed witness as follows, what the standardization of information which will goes in Indian format. It's an amount in words. RS indicates it's an Indian format sale deed, how the legal document is acceptable. So all the points, necessary points, wherever it is applicable in our Indian law, this sale deed is preparing by ChatGPT. So if you need more other than sale deed, what the other than sale deed? Yes, it's a rental deed if you need, or any other legal aspect of legal document which is required for you to prepare. Yes, you can create a number of legal documents in the Indian constituency. So accordingly, if you need a sale deed of India, or if you need a country specific also, you can specify in a particular ChatGPT. Yes, definitely you will get a standardization legal aspect of the formats. Why don't you try today to get more legal documents from ChatGPT? Support all the formats wherever it is required. Witness 1 means what the name of the person, where it is, address, occupation, and the second witness name and the address, occupation. This you have to fill the manual data. That's it. Super easily you can create legal documents from ChatGPT. I hope it will help you greatly. Thank you.